there, it's Miranda Fox, Realtor with the Plowman team. Today, we're checking out 30 Weldon Street in Whitby. You're gonna love this layout, I just know it. Here in the living room right at the front, you're going to notice the high ceilings that are throughout the main floor. Hardwood floors, and this right here, that's a double-sided fireplace. A very large dining room, which can accommodate a ton of people, and an extra sideboard along the side. Now in your family room here, you've got access to the second side of that fireplace. Just beautiful, isn't it? Now one of my favorite details in this room here is the blue behind the built-ins. It just makes it pop for me. And while you're sitting here, maybe enjoying a coffee, maybe it's a cocktail, I'm overlooking my gorgeous backyard. The heart of the home is the kitchen. Am I right? Well, this one here, it was brand new in 2022. I love the stone countertops. There's no shortage of space, and it overlooks the eat-in area here and the backyard. Now before we go upstairs, which by the way is one of my favorite parts, this staircase is amazing. You're gonna hit the powder room, there's also the laundry room, access to the basement, and your double car garage. Bet you think this is the primary, right? Guess again. And here's your primary bedroom. It is super spacious. It's really the whole back side of the house. You've got your ensuite, walk-in closet, sitting space. What more could you ask for? This right here is an overlooked feature in a primary. You've got your own water closet. So far we've seen about 2,500 square feet of living space. No detail has been overlooked and there's no shortage of space. But you know what? There's more. I want you to check out the basement with me. Your fully finished basement down here, it's professionally done by a contractor and with permits from the city. You've got 2 bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, an open concept kitchen, dining room area, and egress window, which means you've got more light. Now there was a lot to see here, so let's just do a recap. We're at 30 Weldon Street in Whitby, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with a fully finished basement with 2 extra bedrooms and another bathroom, and a kitchen, over 2,500 square feet, no detail overlooked. My God, you are definitely gonna come and check this out. So give us a call, the number's above, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I wanna make sure you don't miss out on any other places to call home.